Let's model this Diablo III sword with Blender. To begin, we must load the reference image so that syncs to the original one. We activate background image and open the reference. It is only visible when we are in the views of numeric keypad, 1 front, 3 side, 7 top. If we add control, we will see the inverse ones. We delete the cube with the XK, since it's the more approximated to begin with the circle. Since it is low poly, we must use couple number of vertex, with 12 usually works very well. Then we move to edit mode to start modeling. We make sure that the reference image is centered. We should focus only one side. With the SK, we climb to the fit reference, and we extrude to generate geometry with the K letter E. Combining these two tools, let's check the geometry. To be able to move geometry with freedom, we use the KG or grabbing gizmo if we want to move in axis. With the set, we pass to wire view where we can see the geometry. To close the pointed shape, access to the tools with the double V and choose merge, telling you that the vertex meeting in the center, always use a single vertex. All the adjustments we make are noted as tweaking. At this point, we will use modifier called mirror, imitate the geometry in the axis that we indicate to Blender. For this, the point of the center of the object is important. With the X, the KX, we choose to eliminate faces that we are going to replace, and we eliminate them. Scale on I axis so that it's not round. If we press S with any of the axes, X, Y, or Z axis, it will scale only that direction. If we press Shift with the one of these axes, we will exclude for the scale. This can be used either for moving with G or rotation with R. Remember to mark clipping if you want the geometry to stay together. For convenience, I duplicate this part of geometry with Shift-T and continue with the top. Following the same pattern as before, I joined a mirror and use Merge to create tips geometry to give shape to the sword. All geometry that's not used from unnecessary geometry, doing less polygons, more optimized for video game. With the U, we can separate bone geometry and marking vertex or axis using F to create new faces. When I put together, it does not convenience me as I left previous geometry and I redo it following the methodology. Finally, the total size of the object to pass this model the game engine like Unreal or Unity. It's a great that has size adjustment is not have given word, so that it does not deform. Move scale around the 3D cursor and place at the center of the scene with the Shift C. We take a reference that unit is meter and basic cube has 2 units. The short will be measure about a meter.